How to change email address on Bybit. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Bybit. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner. Again, at the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Now tap on security. Now tap on email. Now select change my registered email. Now tap on OK. Now enter the verification code. Open up your Gmail application. Now copy the code and go back to the application. Now paste the code. Now open up Google Authenticator. Now copy the Bybit code. Go back to the application and paste the code. Now tap on confirm. Now enter your new email address. Now tap on get code. Now paste the code and tap on OK to change your email address. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or a such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.